That mountain peak back there is amazing.
I know, it's beautiful.
Join us on the Elli-Yacht as we realize our 5-year plan with the kids. Grown up, moved out, graduated from college. We take the dog, sold everything, and kitted out the boat so we can cruise the Pacific Northwest, all while living and working in the heart of Seattle. Yeah, we're in
Melanie Cove, which is part of bigger picture.
Yeah, Prideaux Haven.
Prideaux Haven, and the bigger picture is Desolation Sound.
And the bigger picture is Canada.
So we're just taking a little tour around since we haven't had a chance to do that. And it's just absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful. So one of the things that's fairly unique to Canada, you see it a bit in the States, but it's very prevalent up in the Canadian Gulf as well as the Desolation Sound, is a stern tie. And it's nice because the wind can change, you can take tight anchorages and you can get a lot of folks in there. So it looks like the weather's going to break a little bit today, and we're going to make a run real quick to
Refuge Cove.
That's right. It's supposed to be super cute. We haven't been there. Looking forward to it. And we need fuel. So we have about 2.5, 3 gallons.
Not that much.
That doesn't sound like a lot, but
and it's about, what, 20, 25 minute run on the dinghy. So
it'll be fun.
They've got a store, they got a restaurant, so we're going to go over there and have lunch as well.
Yeah. Let's get going.
Okay, it looks like the crew is all ready. We're gonna caravan over to Refuge Cove. Got the store back here. So, provision. Just filled up the dinghy with some more fuel because we were running low. I like how all the different ones, we saw that, how else did we see that?
We saw that at the MASH party. Oh, but we've also seen it on
Blakely
Island.
They have that too.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Cake, beer, salad, bar, and wine. Let's go take a look, see what's going on there.
Let's go have lunch.
Yeah. This is awesome.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, ironically, I can.
You can.
All right, what kind of damage do we do?
Damage for all of our groceries. Well, Refuge Cove store is awesome. They have just about everything you could want, but it also comes at a price. We spent over $700. Ta-da! It all fits in the dinghy, so it's perfect.
To be fair, the water line's a little low. We have to trim up when we get going.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna go get shoes?
Yes. At the store, they carried Yeti coolers, which we have on the Whaler, as well as native shoes, which are excellent water shoes for climbing the rocks in Desolation Sound when you need to stern tie, or go for a hike, or water the dog.
What'd you end up getting?
Got some new picks.
Ooh, look at those. What are those?
Native. At the little store. They're cute. I like them.
Are they comfortable?
Yes.
They look like plastic, but they're comfortable.
They're plastic. These ones are a new plastic made out of algae, and these are a little bit softer.
How are we doing?
Yeah. I'm excited.
All right, ready to go back to the boat and swim?
Yeah, let's go swimming.
Okay.
One thing being on the hook, garbage starts collecting, so, and Canada up here, they don't like to take our garbage so much, so they charge in some places on the islands.
How are you, sir? Good.
How are you? Excellent.
Don't know why.
Don't know why.
Well, you didn't know the rules.
What are the rules?
Well, go look them up after myself.
What was that?
Oh, I have thongs.
No, I didn't mean foot tongue. doggy thing. The big thing wants to touch your butt.
Okay, well,
Hold on, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
That's a good
I can't
joke.
help myself. I'm fucking old.
That's all right.
Okay.
You win.
All right, we've got...
I know what you got. You don't have to explain. Everything goes on the scale.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Does he always make you do all the work?
Always.
No?
No, we share. 50-50.
Okay. Well, what's his 50%? Sitting back there?
He's trying to come out.
Oh, God, that's not 50.
Yeah, I get the fun part, don't I?
Yeah, that's right. Okay, what do we have? 15, so 13, so 26 bucks.
All right.
$26. Got that.
And your name is
Dave.
Fred.
Fred. It's Dave.
I'm Dave. He's my brother.
There you go. There's $40 for you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you.
So a quick little pit stop at Refuge Cove.
That's right.
We were hoping for burgers, but restaurant's not open yet. The little grocery store was actually pretty well stocked. You can find pretty much anything you need there.
Yeah.
So, and the best part is they have ice cream
I was
from
gonna say,
the island.
the best part was we were able to get fuel, so we now have.
Yes. I got fuel because John forgot his wallet.
Good point. Yeah.
I bought ice cream today. I treated you.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
So good. So warm because it was super low tide, and then now it's almost high tide. So then the water warms up because the rocks are warm. It feels great. All right, let's go over there and do the rope swing.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Let's try it.
All right. Off we go.
First time for everything.
Amen. Congratulations.
First time ever, at least in Laura Cove. Rope swing. That was awesome. There's nobody here, which is great, so I can do it all by myself.
Except for him.
I'm done, so it's all his.
Karlynn?
Get to the sun! Look at sun! It gets better. But it's definitely not necessary.
Well done.
Party cruise. Oh, damn.
One thing you gotta get super used to when you have a dog on a boat is every morning, every afternoon, sometimes more often than that, you gotta take him shore. So if your dinghy broke, it could be the end of...
That'd be bad.
That'd be bad. And then you have to use paddle boards.
And that'd be worse.
That'd be worse. Especially when the weather gets a little dodgy. When it's like this, it's not so bad. But hey, all right, Leroy, off we go. Ready to go potty? He's like, yeah, whatever. And with the tides, Kind of have to find a new spot every day.
Especially here.
It has enough clearance for the motor and
Very rocky.
you can get off. Alright, you want to throw that fender on the front? Kind of like this area, I think, over here. How we doing? Okay, is there enough depth over there? Like right there?
Yeah.
That looks slippery too, doesn't it?
That will be.
Where's there? Depth is good?
That was good right here.
I like to get the bow against something somewhat vertical.
Right there would be even better. We can make it work.
How'd it go?
Oh, success.
One thing to keep in mind, you gotta pack in, well, Leroy packs in your poo.
We gotta pack it out. I have to pack it out.
That's right. And then we literally have a bag of shit. I keep suggesting that maybe we flush it down the toilet, but
No.
we like to hold on to it in bags. All right, let's get out of here.
On the way back, after taking the dog out, we saw tons of jellyfish as they all swam in during high tide. Ready to go on a hike?
Yeah.
Top of the falls.
What do you think?
It's pretty.
It's the first splash.
It's amazing. No, it's perfect.
I'm gonna take your underwear off.
Good dive, though.
Hey, wait. Just wait.
Arms up, y'all.
1, 2, 3.
This is all old logging equipment. They never took it out. They left it here.
So it's time to do laundry, is basically what we're saying. Things start to get stinky. I've worn those once or twice or 3 times. And it's not so bad because we'll do this when the genset's running and we have plenty of power with our lithium iron phosphate battery bank. We can make it a full day, running the washer, dryer, doing all those types of things without having to run the genset after the genset's charged up the batteries. But what's going to be the procedure? We have to go through and we got to use the washer and dryer, right? That's pretty straightforward.
Right. It's time to do laundry.
Well, you want to show everyone where the dryer is? Because we haven't done a proper boat tour yet.
Oh.
We need to get to that.
This cabinet over here is where the dryer is.
Yeah. 2 little front loaders, and they are easy peasy lemon squeezy to use, right? Pretty straightforward.
Yep.
All right.
They run great.
So, how much water do we have? I think I checked. We have about 86 gallons out of 135. How much do these use? They use about, are they 10?
I think 5 or 10.
5 or 10? Something in there. We'll keep an eye on it. So, we need to go start the water maker because it's, if we're going to be doing, do we think a couple loads today?
Probably. We should, because we haven't done it in a week and a half.
All right, open the drawer of shame.
The drawer of shame.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to smell it.
All right, I'll go start at the water maker.
All right.